안경사인 피파는 남자친구와 함께 살기 위해 몬트리올의 멋진 아파트로 이사를 왔는데요.
Pas de peinture, pas de trous dans les murs et on peut rien suspendre du plafond.
Des rideaux?
Vous savez, Thomas, les propriétaires ne louent pas à n'importe qui.
This is happening. So we're really gonna do this, huh?
Seems that way, yeah.
Yeah, it's a big step.
Huge. Oh.
그날 저녁 두 사람은 소소하게 이사 기념 파티를 합니다.
Oh, what is this?
Chlorophyll water.
What?
Chlorophyll water, but I was thinking about taking up the accordion.
No, really?
What are you talking about then?
I want to wake up Sunday morning with an awful hangover that reminds me of all the terrible decisions I made the night before.
To making wonderful, terrible decisions.
Wonderful, terrible decisions.
그때 그들의 시선을 빼앗는 번쩍이는 빛의 밖을 내다보니
Oh, check out those two.
You can see right in.
It's a nice play. Oh,
See?
이웃집 부부가 사랑을 나누는 장면을 보게 되었죠.
What?
I don't think we should spy on our neighbors.
No, we're not spying. We're just.
We are officially being creepy weirdos. Don't you agree?
Oh, what? They want us to look.
Let's give our new neighbors some privacy. Thomas? Hey?
설레는 첫날 밤의 분위기를 기대했던 피파였지만 토머스가 먼저 잠들어 버리는 바람에 김이 새버린 듯한 기분을 느낍니다.
Hey, babe.
Hi.
Voila.
이사 첫날이 지나고 다음 날
What's going on with our friendly next door neighbors?
Really? This is gonna be a thing?
Look, they're just like us.
Hey, stop being so obvious.
Oh, okay. Secret time.
피파와 토머스는 오늘도 여전히 이웃 부부의 모습을 마치 드라마를 보는 것처럼 관찰하고 있는데요.
What are their names?
She's definitely a Margot. And that's Brent.
그날 밤 잠이 오지 않던 그녀의 시선은 또다시 이웃집을 향하게 되고 창 너머 그 남자를 보며 묘한 끌림을 느끼게 됩니다. 토머스 또한 일을 하다가도 너무 훤히 보이는 건너편 집에 자꾸만 시선이 향하게 되죠.
So this might be a little problematic.
Why? They know we can see him, so why not? Oh, what's he doing? It's me, Mario. I like her overalls, though.
What's happening?
What just happened?
그날 밤 결국 쌍안경까지 동원해 본격적으로 이웃집을 관찰하기 시작한 피파.
Here. Keep watching.
What are you doing?
Taking your shirt off. Wait, I'm sorry. Come on. Pay
This is
attention.
crazy.
Pay attention.
그녀는 이미 중독된 듯 계속해서 건너편 집을 바라보게 되는데요.
So, if you shine a laser through it, what do you think happens to the beam?
It also vibrates.
Gold star for you, exactly. The little dot of the laser wiggles from the vibrations. And if you can capture the pattern of the wiggling, you can translate that into waveforms you can actually hear.
다음 날 레이저를 이용해 소리를 들을 수 있는 방법을 알고 있는 토머스에게 실험을 해보자고 제안하는 그녀였지만
Unless we sneak into Brent's studio and perfectly place a mirror behind his window, we're out of luck.
I have a bad idea.
때마침 이웃집에서는 시끌벅적한 할로윈 파티가 한창이었고 두 사람 역시 목적을 갖고 그 파티에 참석합니다. 그곳에서 얼떨결에 새백의 사진까지 찍힌 피파. 또한 파티에 온 진짜 목적이었던 거울을 붙이는 것도 성공했죠. 집으로 돌아온 두 사람은 곧바로 레이저를 설치한 뒤
Turn it off, turn it off, turn it off!
What?
Sing along or they were gonna think they were gonna get assassinated. Okay, start lower.
Okay.
Lower and stop. Now what?
Now, we hope that the angle of the mirror bounced it back here somewhere.
피파의 비상한 잔머리를 이용해 반사각까지 찾아냈습니다.
I am so impressed right now.
Or you go into the bathroom with some woman. Did you? Hello, hi.
How are you having this conversation?
하지만 그들의 기대와는 달리 처음 들려온 소리는 이웃집 부부가 격하게 다투는 소리였는데
You okay? Yes. I think I'm coming down with something.
전날 밤의 다툼 때문에 망가진 안경을 고치기 위해 줄리아는 다음날 안과를 찾게 되고 마침 그곳이 바로 피파가 일하는 곳이었는데요.
How may I help you?
Hi, I'm just looking for some new glasses. I'm Julia, by the way. So indecisive. What do you think?
Well, those are definitely more sexy librarian. Where these, they're more femme fatale.
I am the femme fatale. Hey, this might sound weird. Would you ever want to get a cup of coffee sometime or something? Is that weird?
No.
I mean, I know we just met, but you seem cool.
Thank you.
Well, can I have your number?
Yeah, myself.
안경을 맞추는 동안 그녀는 피파에게 호감이 생긴 듯 다음에 한번 보자며 약속까지 잡게 되죠.
Shut up.
I
What?
know!
Did you talk to her?
If by her you mean Julia, then yeah.
Julia.
But we totally hit it off, and we're gonna hang out this weekend.
You're not really seeing her this weekend, are you?
If I was cheating on you, wouldn't you want to know? That is being totally unfaithful, and we know that. So now I have the moral responsibility to do the right thing.
Okay, hey, chicken. Babe, I get that you're trying to do the right thing. I get it, but let's get back to us.
서로 다른 생각 때문에 의견이 부딪히며 결국 두 사람 사이엔 작은 충돌이 일어났습니다.
She doesn't need to be saved. She doesn't need to be saved by you. This is straight up none of your business.
Thomas.
Pippa. Hi.
어느새 시간은 흘러 주말이 되었고
Yeah.
It's like when you're so obsessed with something that you forget to pick your head up and look around and go, oh wait, what am I even doing? But you're too far down the rabbit hole.
So your husband, what's he do?
Oh, his name's Sebastian. Well, Seb.
Sam.
He's a photographer, like a real one. Without him, I don't know what I'd do with my life. He's all I've got.
한참 동안 대화를 나누던 중 남편 이야기로 줄리아가 울적해지자 피파는 그녀를 위로해 주려다 말실수했지만
Are you okay, Margot?
Who's Margot?
Julia. I'm so sorry, I know your name.
That is so funny because, like, I just had this Halloween.
다행히 상황은 무난히 넘어갔죠. 시간이 흐를수록 그녀의 집착은 더욱 깊어져 갔고
Bacon?
프린트의 원격 인쇄 기능을 이용해 결국 돌이킬 수 없는 일을 저지르고 만 피파.
Pippa!
Thomas,
What are you doing?
no, don't. Tom, you
thought
don't
we were
understand.
done
I'm
with
really
this.
worried.
Pippa, what did you do? You told her.
Thomas, I had to.
남편의 외도 사실을 마주한 줄리아는 결국 무너지고 말았죠.
Please.
Pippa, give me those. Is she?
Thomas, what What do we do?
Jesus, are we gonna watch this woman stab this man? I'm calling the cops.
No, you can't call
Then
the
what do we
cops.
do?
I don't know! You have every right in the world to be mad at me.
I'm disappointed. You know, I want to know that I can trust you.
You can.
I want to feel like I'm enough for you.
You are. I'm done.
어젯밤 자신이 저지른 행동이 자칫 큰 사고로 이어질 뻔했다는 사실을 깨달은 피파는 이제 그만두기로 약속하죠.
Can I get a hug?
I love you.
I love you too. What are you doing?
No.
하지만 곧 스스로 삶을 저버린 줄리아의 모습을 발견하게 됩니다.
What do we do? Thomas, you can't go. Thomas, please, you can't. I need you right now.
No, I can't be with you.
Thomas.
We're done. It's over.
토머스가 떠나기 전 그만두겠다고 약속했던 피파였지만 그 약속은 어느새 흔적도 없이 사라져버린 상태였죠. 셉이 술집으로 들어가는 순간까지 피파는 그를 놓치지 않고 바라보고 있었습니다.
Do I know you? You've got a familiar face. Pretty eyes.
드디어 셉을 마주하게 된 피파.
I'm trying to work something out. Can I ask you a question? You ever been in a serious relationship?
Yeah.
그의 질문의 순간 당황했지만 어딘가 설레는 감정이 스며들기 시작했는데요.
Would it be strange if I asked to take your picture?
그의 의도를 다 알고 있으면서도
Watch out for broken glass. I had a little accident.
마음속에서 번지는 욕망에 이끌리고 말았습니다.
Scusari. The grapes are grown under the shadow of a volcano in Italy.
So you're a professional?
You know, my latest exhibition opens in a few weeks. You should come. Those eyes. You sure we've never met before? Just do whatever I tell you to do and it'll be perfect.
Is it okay?
It's just this jumper.
Subtle.
If you're not comfortable, it's cool.
예상했던 대로 셉은 그녀에게도 다른 여자들과 똑같은 태도를 보였으며
I'll make it less awkward.
결국 피파 역시 넘지 말아야 할 선을 넘고 말았죠. 같은 시각 토머스는 피파와 화해하기 위해 집으로 다시 찾아왔는데요. 매일 마시던 물이 오늘따라 이상할 정도로 비릿하게 느껴져
Here you go, guys. It's good for you.
몸에 좋은 거라며 새들에게 물을 주던 순간 셉과 함께 있는 피파를 발견하고 맙니다. 다음 날 아침 셉의 집에서 눈을 뜬 피파는 다시 자기 집으로 돌아오는데 그곳에서 스스로 삶을 놓아버린 토머스와 마주하게 되죠. 토머스의 일로 슬픈 것도 잠시
I didn't think you'd come.
피파는 셉의 전시회에 찾아갔는데요.
Can't wait to see the photos.
Cool. Yeah, it's really cool. Now, before we begin, I should say that this particular project was a collaboration. My partner in crime on this, the love of my life, Julia Novatore. It seems only right that she should be up here with me. Everyone, Julia!
무슨 영문인지 눈앞에 살아있는 줄리아가 모습을 드러냈고
Hi. This new exhibition tells a modern fable. It's a tragic tale of a sweet young woman named Pippa.
이번 전시회의 주인공이 자신이라는 사실에 충격을 받게 되죠.
Pippa lives in the apartment we own across the way from our studio. They cared more about what was going on in other people's lives than they did their own. And what started out as a fun little hobby turned into a bit of an obsession. Little did she realize the whole time that they were watching us.
Well, we were watching them.
또한 이 모든 상황이 줄리아와 셉이 짜놓은 거대한 연출이었다는 사실도 알게 됩니다.
This is the image release form they signed. Now, do I know if they actually read it? No. But that's not my responsibility.
But does that give you the right to...
But if anything, it's a warning for us to be able to stalk people we may or may not know in order to get a glimpse into that partially true version of their lives. Seb and I lived a version of our life for Pippa and Thomas to see.
이번 전시회 성공을 큰 부와 명예를 누리게 된 두 사람. 모든 사실을 알게 된 피파는 이곳을 떠나려고 정리하던 중 미동도 없는 새들을 발견하게 되는데요.
How many times can someone be congratulated? Oh, your favorite. Scassery.
Scassari.
집 앞에 있던 선물을 즐기던 그 순간 프린터가 작동하기 시작하는데
What is she doing?
She's fucking lost it.
What do you think you know, Pippa?
그 내용을 본 두 사람은 피파가 왜 그런 행동을 했는지 궁금해 뒤따라가죠.
Please. Is all this really necessary, Pippa? These are some pretty serious accusations. They must have come from somewhere.
그녀는 토머스가 스스로 삶을 저버린 것이 아니라 그들의 계획으로 인해 세상을 떠난 것이라고 믿고 있었지만
When I watched you, I believed every moment. Even though none of it was real. But when Thomas died, it didn't feel true, but he's still gone.
That is a hell of a theory, Pippa.
줄리아와 셉은 자신들이 그런 것이 아니라고 하는데요.
So I just need to know this one last thing and then you'll never see me again.
Yeah, we didn't.
It was you who told me. It's like when you're so obsessed with something that you forget to pick your head up, look around and go, bet you're too far down the...
Julia! Hey! Hey, talk to me. What the fuck did you do?
That wine was a little gift from me.
How many times can someone be congratulated? Oh, your favorite.
결국 피파가 자신의 삶을 망가뜨린 그들에게 복수하는 장면을 끝으로 영화는 막을 내립니다. 훔쳐보기에서 시작된 은밀한 욕망이 결국 파국적인 결말로 이어지는 이야기를 그린 영화 보이어스였습니다. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.